Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add templates to Instagram story or reels. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store to update your Instagram app, and after updating, open your app and tap here on your profile. Then tap on this plus button on upper right corner and tap on reel. After this, and on the bottom here you can see just next to reels there is a template section. Tap on that, and here you can swipe and check any templates. After this, tap on any template and select your picture from gallery, just like me. And after this, tap on send button. In this way the pictures are added into templates, so you can easily post into your story. Thanks for watching.